Hello, this is Renee with Pretty Things and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a little wood project. I'm going to make a riser for my television because my television or my table is awfully low and I want to raise it up a little bit from the table or off the table so I can put some things underneath it like the DVD player and any other items. So in order to make this riser, I'm going to, of course, need wood, and I got a slab of wood. A piece of wood is 37 inches in length. I just want it to be able to be just appropriate length for my table. And then I have 3 pieces that I got Lowe's to cut from me, and the 2 end pieces that will go on the end are 2 by 12s. And then this middle part might extend a little bit up the back. It's, I believe, 2 by 10, and of course we need our measuring tape and a drill, and we're going to use some E6000 maybe to hold the pieces in places before we drill them in, and we're going to be using some drywall screws as well. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, continue watching. Okay, and I have a friend here helping me today, so he's going to use the E6000. He's going to glue the pieces in first. And this is just for the sake of holding it so it doesn't slide around. Now we put a little cloth over my table because I didn't want to do it anymore for the damage. We're just kind of working inside today. We didn't want to battle the mosquitoes here in the south, so we're working inside. And we don't have a garage or anything to work in. And this is what you call apartment living. You just make do as you can do. Okay, we're going to drill this piece in here. We're going to drill some holes first, and then he's going to go back and he's going to go back and put the screws in. Now he's finished drilling those 3 holes. So next, he's going to glue the other side. Oh, that side, this side here didn't stay glued well.
It's okay. It'll be fine.
I think we needed a little bit more glue there. Okay, so he's
glue
going
ain't working too good.
Oh, okay.
Should have had wood glue.
Oh, okay. So we're going to glue that. And he's saying my glue is not working well. That maybe perhaps we should have used some wood glue. But folks, I'm using this E6000. I figured, the whole other thing, it might hold some wood, but we might just need to let it sit just a little bit longer. So we're going to let that sit, and then we're going to screw holes in that portion. All right, now he's finished putting holes in there. He's going to try to get the screws to go in. So we're trying to get the screws in there now. Uh-oh, that one split a little bit. It's okay. Maybe we had a little too close to the edge. They don't have anything to do with it? Okay. Maybe you went too fast. But anyway, so when you're doing woodworking, okay, now this is just something new to us. We've never really done any woodworking before, so we decided we wanted to try something a little different. So we got those 3 done. Okay, we're going to go around the other side and try to get the other screws in here. And then, when he's finished putting this part together, yeah, I forgot to take out my, oh, you must have hit it in something. It stopped. Oh. So anyway, we're going again. So we're putting these screws in next. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I hope we're still going, guys. So, yeah. This is a first for us, a first for me. Trying to do a little woodworking activity. Well, I see something, I just think, okay, I think I can do that. We can do it. All right, so next we're gonna get the centerpiece in, and it's a little longer than the others, but it's gonna be okay because we can saw that piece off. I maybe should have sawed it off, but we're not gonna be too concerned with that. Are we gonna drill those? And you need to come over a little bit. So we got this third piece in the center again. We're making a riser for my television. I know some of you are probably asking out there in YouTube land, well, why didn't you just put it on the wall? Well, I'm leasing my place, so you know, there are some rules and regulations about putting too many holes in the walls. And decided I'm going to use this coffee table and just put it back in this little inset place. And I have my television here. Okay. And so we're going to drill a few holes in the center. Now guys, we're not expert and we're not woodworkers. But we don't mind trying a few projects to see what we come up with. Put those screws in. Okay, next guys, we're going to stain this using some wood stain. It's like a walnut color. I don't see the exact color yet, but we're just going to put a little bit on there and just rub it in. I'm just using one of my grandson's old t-shirts when he was a little bit younger. And we're just going to give this a light stain. Oh, wow. I love how this is looking. You know what? I don't think it's not going to be a bad match for my table. See my table here and then the stain. I think it's going to be okay match. Now, that is one of the things I was concerned about when I purchased the stain. If it was going to actually match. Okay, we're going to stain the top surface and then around the sides and then the little base part that we're using to hold up the top. This is looking absolutely beautiful. I am really kind of surprised at how well it turned out, but I will say that, you know, when I do another project, you know, some things I've learned, or I'm learning, is that we probably need some clamps kind of maybe to hold some things. And so we're going to stain this front part here. And then we got to get all around the sides of that too. Now, we're not going to worry about staining this bottom part. Nobody's going to see that. Okay, so we'll stain the front part here. Then around the sides here. And folks, that should just about finish it up. So I would love to have you join my family. Now, I would love to do more woodworking in the future. There are a few more projects that I would like to take on. So we'll just kind of see, how that comes out. So I'm going to say thanks so much for watching. When we come back, we should be almost done. Okay, friends, I think we've done, and we have a beautiful riser here. I'm actually loving the stain we used. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And remember to leave a comment if you are a woodworker out there, because we are not. So this is just a little project that we thought we'll do. But one thing we did learn is that maybe we should have used some wood glue instead of the E1000. So next time we tackle some of this, we will definitely maybe be a little bit more prepared. Again, thanks for watching today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.